Yeah, g'day. I'm Jarrod Koch from Barrabool, which is just out of Geelong in Victoria. During GenAngus, the quality of the presenters that we've had has just been really phenomenal, and I've tried to take a little bit out of every lesson, but I guess the key takeaway is just trying to slowly improve every day in all different aspects of the business, and hopefully one day end up to be nearly half as good as some of these guys, and that'll go a long way to helping us. Some really good takeaways for me were about mindset and really establishing my mind for the business and getting ready to do the small things every day which will help grow our herd and our business. I would encourage anyone in the beef industry who's growing a business or starting a business to apply for the GenAngus program. It's been a really good program, and I've really enjoyed all the presentations from all the speakers so far, but as well just the opportunity to meet a lot of fellow industry participants, and the time out of lessons has been as good as the time in lessons.